What are the common mistakes to avoid and the best practices to follow while filing e-appeals online? Filing e-appeals online is a convenient and fast way to challenge the orders issued by the tax authorities. However, there are some common mistakes that can lead to rejection or delay of your appeal. Here are some tips to avoid them and follow the best practices while filing e-appeals online. Check your eligibility for e-appeals. The e-appeals Scheme 2023 applies to appeals covered under Section 246 of the Income Tax Act, except the cases excluded under subsection 6 of that section. If your case falls under any of the exclusions, you cannot file an e-appeal. Choose the correct authority for your appeal. The e-appeals Scheme 2023 empowers the Joint Commissioner, Appeals, to dispose of appeals filed before it or allocated or transferred to it. You cannot file an e-appeal before any other authority, such as the Commissioner, Appeals, or the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. File your appeal within the prescribed time limit. You have to file your e-appeal within 30 days from the date of receipt of the order against which you are appealing. If you miss this deadline, you have to explain the reason for delay and request for condonation of delay. Pay the required fees for your appeal. You have to pay a fee of Rs. $250 for filing an e-appeal if your total income assessed is less than Rs. 1 lakh Rs. 500 if it is between Rs. 1 lakh and Rs. 2 lakhs and Rs. 1,000 if it is more than Rs. 2 lakhs. You have to pay this fee online through the designated portal and attach the proof of payment with your appeal. Fill in all the details correctly in your appeal form. You have to fill in Form No. 35 for filing an e-appeal and provide all the relevant details, such as your name, address, PAN, assessment year, order number, date of order, grounds of appeal, relief claimed, etc. You have to verify your appeal form electronically using your digital signature or Aadhaar-based electronic verification code. Attach all the necessary documents with your appeal form. You have to attach a copy of the order against which you are appealing, a copy of the notice of demand, a copy of the challenge for payment of fees, and any other document that supports your grounds of appeal. You have to upload these documents in PDF format and ensure that they are clear and legible. Respond to the show cause notice issued by the Joint Commissioner, Appeals. After receiving your e-appeal, the Joint Commissioner, Appeals, will issue a show cause notice asking you to explain why your appeal should be allowed. You have to reply to this notice within 15 days from the date of receipt and provide any additional information or evidence that may be required. Request for a personal hearing through video conference if you wish to present your case orally. The Joint Commissioner, Appeals, may grant you a personal hearing through video conference if you request for it in writing along with your reply to the show cause notice. You have to attend the video conference on the scheduled date and time and present your case effectively. Accept or challenge the order passed by the Joint Commissioner, Appeals. After considering your reply and hearing your case, if any, the Joint Commissioner, Appeals, will pass an order either allowing or dismissing your appeal or partly allowing or partly dismissing it. You have to accept this order if you are satisfied with it or challenge it before a higher authority if you are not satisfied with it. These are some of the common mistakes to avoid and the best practices to follow while filing e-appeals online under the new CBDT scheme. By following these tips, you can save time and money and get a fair resolution of your tax disputes.